So this is a Capital One Platinum card. It's offered by Visa, and it has a gray background, dark grayish background. It has platinum written right in the middle. It has a metallic code, barcode thing on the top as well. It states my name and then the card number as well as the expiration date, which I've whited out. This is one of the first cards I had ever received. It's a Capital One card. It's the first one I've ever received, and it has a minimum monthly balance of $1,000. If you try to use over $1,000, it'll block you. The only way to use over $1,000 is to have the person who owns the card go and call in and try to increase the budget if they allow so. I've tried once actually to withdraw to use $1,000, but I was unable to because it was in my father's name, and I don't have like the line of credit. I didn't have the line of credit at that point to increase it, but it's also your credit score is a factor, which I've been using this card pretty frequently and paying it off pretty frequently as well. So I was able to, prevent having any monthly fees or associated with it. This is my Capital One card. I did try to withdraw money out once, and I was clearly able to. The great thing about this card is that you can withdraw it from the ATM. You can withdraw $1,000 from the ATM if you want. So you can go into any bank, any credit card company, and try to withdraw money, and you would get all the money within the card, which is absolutely great because it helps for it helps just to have extra money or some type of credit card where you can cash in whatever's necessary. This credit card, it expires like I think every 5 to 10 years, so you always have to get a new one. But yeah, this is my favorite credit card. I've used it for so many purchases. I've bought everything from appliances, electronics, to my own home care items, food, accessories, entertainment, going out for the night, restaurants. I've used it for practically everything. I can't really recommend a better card than this one. It definitely, does everything that I need to do. I guess my father and me, we were thinking about getting a card, and we'd received so many letters in the mail regarding this card, so we decided to give it a try and order one as one of my first cards. And it was always for emergency keeping or whatever, but I guess using it, somewhat, it increased my credit score, and I was able to, now I'm able to buy a car or even get a mortgage without having any problem with my credit score. This card itself has increased my credit score pretty substantially. It's definitely one of my favorite uses. So yeah, so you go, once you receive this in the mail or you check online, they offer, incentives to purchase this card. You could just go online to CapitalOne.com or Visa even, and maybe find this card from there. So you would go in and you would just order this card. I guess they give it into the mail. You can get it within the mail in about 7 days. It's absolutely free. And then you just use $1,000, and then you pay it every single month. So I think in the mail you get a bill in the mail that has you pay for it, and then every single month you kind of have to just keep paying, I guess, through either check or electronically. But the great thing about this is that you can actually do Autopay. So I've been linking it straight to my bank account, and every single month it takes out a certain amount from my bank, which I couldn't be happier about it. It automatically just takes money out of my bank, and that's one of the greatest things that I've experienced with this card. But yeah, I mean, I've definitely used it for so many different things. It's definitely one of my favorite cards to be using, and yeah, it's a great thing to have. It's a great way to buy things. The necessity to have cash is not there. It increases your credit score, and it's just a great thing to have handy that you can use to purchase items. I just wanted to thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this useful, and a great credit card. I would highly recommend it. Thank you so much.